Everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the system software to the next version on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So just swipe on down from the top right, go to settings right here, scroll all the way down to About Phone, click this and go on down to where it says Software Update. Then under here we can go to Download and Install, and it's checking for updates. Just make sure you're connected to the internet. Looks like my software is up to date. So if you do have an update, even if it says like auto download or something like that, you may still have an update on here. So you want to just come here and check. So you can see the last version was, looks like Android version 16, UI version 8.0. So we got some more updates with this, like to the home screen and stuff. So just look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.